Hello everybody and welcome to Birdsnest Designs. It is Tutorial Tuesday. My name is Denise Cox and I'm here today to share some super fun, bright and cheerful cards with you. So we'll just take a few seconds while people pop on. When you get there, comment and let me know you're here. I've got a little bit of a different setup. I'm keeping it simple. I just want to, have fun, make some cards. Excuse the voice. I am recovering from not being well over the holidays. But I'm super excited to be here with you guys and to show you some really fun cards. Hi, Carol. Nice to see you. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Hi, Bev and Sonia. Today is a super, super exciting day because the new catalogs started. So we've got this beautiful new catalog, the January to June mini, as well as the celebration brochure. So both of these started today and I am super excited because they're full of amazing, fun products. So if you don't already have a copy, let me know. I am going to be putting some in the mail before the end of the week, so I can add one for you if you like. So let me know if you don't already have one. And I see that Bev's watching, so Bev's, yours will be in the mail at the end of by the end of the week. Okay, so here we are. Today, this is the card we're going to recreate. I love it. I love how bright and cheerful it is. I love the rainbows. I love everything about it. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And then, excuse me, to make this card, we're going to use a few new products. So to start with, we are going to be using the Rainbow of Happiness bundle. So here's the stamp set. I'm trying to get it so there's no glare, but that's a little tough. So here is the beautiful stamp set, and then these are the amazing dies that coordinate with it. Okay, so if you're a rainbow lover and you love all the bright colors, this is an amazing one, and it can be found on page 18 of this beautiful catalog. So right here, and look at all these gorgeous samples. I'm super excited to play around with this a little bit more and maybe recreate some of these. So that's the bundle we're going to be using, although we're not actually using the dies today, but I did want to share them with you because they're so fun. So we're going to use the stamp set, and then we're also going to use, from the celebration brochure, we're going to use this gorgeous rainbow paper. Now this is Sunshine and Rainbows. It's 6x6 designer series paper, and it is definitely by far my favorite product out of the celebration brochure. I love it. I love all the colors. I love everything about it. So as you can see, it's 6x6. I can't remember, I think you get 48 sheets of paper. So that's super awesome. You get a lot of paper. And I've gone ahead and just made this little, let me take it out of the plastic so you can see it a bit better. So here's my little sample sheet. So I've got just little 2x2 squares so you guys can see all of the gorgeous patterns in this paper. And then down here I've got all the colors that are included in cardstock. So there's some, and then flip it over and there's even more of this gorgeous paper. So what do you guys think? Do you love it? I do. It's a really nice, bright, cheerful break from all the seasonal cards we've been creating, and it's going to give us so many different opportunities for cards to create all year long. So that's available with a $60 order. You can earn this for free. Super awesome. Like I said, I love it. It's my favorite product out of the catalog. So then one of these pages that's in that paper is this right here, these gorgeous clouds. And in the new mini catalog, there is a cloud punch. Awesome, right? And then look at this. Check it out. I love it. I love when there's coordination. So we can just pop out these little clouds. Easy peasy, just like that. So there's another little tidbit for you to think about when you're looking through those catalogs. Okay, I did want to share with you one other card I created earlier today as I was playing around in my craft room. This little guy here. Now here is the Sunshine and Rainbow paper again. I've used the Rainbow of Happiness stamp, and I've used the thank you and just stamped it randomly around the back. And I've used the cute little hearts because I love them. They're so adorable. And I've stamped them on there too. Then I used another celebration item, my second favorite one for sure, the awesome otters. So I've used this little guy here. I've cut them out, colored them with my blends, and then you are utterly awesome, super cute. So here we have this little card. So I just wanted to share that with you today. It's just an idea. But this is the card that we're going to be recreating. So let's get to it. Excuse me. All right. So, I'll quickly show you the celebration brochure. So you can find the Rainbow of Happiness on page 8, Sunshine and Rainbows 6x6 paper, sorry. Again, some gorgeous samples with these beautiful rainbows. And then on the following page is the Awesome Otters stamp set as well. So both of those are available with a $60 order for free. And again, some really fun samples. Look at these guys, the little otters with the marble paper, which is another free item. They've used that as water. It's super cute. So lots of great products, and I'll be sharing lots of them with you as we go through. Celebration is for January and February this time. Okay, so let's get started. I've got all the pieces here cut out. We're starting with a basic white thick cardstock base, so regular size. I've got that already folded and scored, but we'll do it one more time with the bone folder. Okay, so I'm just going to set that off to the side for a moment. We've got a 3x4 piece of basic white and a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of Bermuda Bay, a 1/2 inch strip of Pool Party, just a scrap piece of basic white. And then here's some of that amazing Sunshine and Rainbows paper with the beautiful stripes on it. Okay, and this one measures 3 by 5 1/2. And then we've got the Magenta Madness. This is a color that I love and I haven't used all that much, so I'm super excited to see that it's in this designer paper. And this one is 5 1/2 by 3 1/4. So to start with, I'm going to take my Stampin' Seal and it's a brand new one I just installed before we started. Okay, we'll start it here. Okay, so we're just gonna attach that on here, like so. Okay, so there we've got the start of our card. And we can go ahead and bring in this base now and attach that right in the center. Super easy. I love all the colors that are provided in this designer paper. It's so pretty. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do, let's set that aside. We're going to bring in the 3x4 piece of basic white, and we're going to use some fabulous color combinations here. So I've got Magenta Madness, Mango Melody, Granny Apple Green, and Bermuda Bay. Isn't that beautiful? I love that color scheme. So, excuse me, using the rainbows, we're going to stamp. So I'm using Magenta Madness first, and this is the larger of the rainbow pieces. Okay, so we're going to use the largest one in Magenta Madness. We're going to stamp that off, a little off to the side here. Perfect. Oh, I didn't get quite enough ink down that side. So what I'm going to do, here's a little trick that I've been working on. I'm just going to kind of get that part of the stamp inked up again. And then because it's photopolymer, it's fairly easy to line it back up again. We'll just push down a little extra on that side. There we go. Perfect. Now, we'll set that aside. Next, we're going to use Mango Melody. And we'll use the one step in of the rainbow, so second largest. Okay, and we'll just line that up. Now they don't line up exactly. It's kind of the design of this, so we're just going to line it up the best we can. Oh, sorry, my head just hit my camera stand. Okay, so there we've got that. Again, it's not, I wonder if there's something. So we're going to do that same trick again, because because I didn't get very much ink on that side. There we go. Okay, we're done with the Mango Melody, so I'll close that up. Next, we're going to use Granny Apple Green. Now let's see if I can get this. Oh, first I wanted to show you. So in the rainbow options, we do have this one that's just these rays. And it's kind of fun. What I did is I stamped just them. See if I can do it without hitting the camera stand this time. Okay, so that's a really cute option. But I did want it to be more solid. So what I did was I took this next one, which is the same size as those stripes, same color, but I'm going to stamp it off once and then stamp on to give it kind of that fun little look. Okay, so just something a little bit different. And then with that one's finished, I've got ink pads all over the place here. Now we're going to use Bermuda Bay. And Bermuda Bay is the smallest of the rainbow pieces. Let's go ahead and stamp that. And again, I'm not sure what's going on. I think I need to re-ink some of these ink pads. Okay. Voila! Isn't that an adorable rainbow? I love it. I'd love to see in the comments what you guys think of these beautiful rainbows and this gorgeous color scheme. Okay, so once the rainbow is stamped, now we're going to pull in the Magenta Madness once again. I'm just trying to get all these stamps off to the side. And then those darling little hearts that I talked about earlier, they're so cute. So we're going to just stamp a few of those. Perfectly, just cute like that, just a little bit here and there, spread a little love with these cute little hearts. And now, excuse me, like I said, I'm still recovering. We got sick over the holidays. So, okay, we're gonna attach this now onto our Bermuda Bay, which just measures the standard 1/4 inch larger than the white paper did. So we'll go ahead and attach that. Okay, so let's go ahead now, bring the card back in, and we're going to attach that just like so. Okay, and what's nice about the stripes is we can kind of use them as a guideline to keep it nice and straight. Voila, so cute. Okay. Now, remember that paper I showed you with the clouds on it? We're going to pull in this beautiful cloud punch, which I'm absolutely in love with. And I'm going to punch out 2. So I've already done 1 when I was showing it to you in the beginning. And then I'm just going to take some scissors because I want a full cloud. It doesn't really matter which one. We'll use this one here. Okay, so I use this on our sample, but let's go ahead and use this one with the sunshine in it. It's gorgeous. And again, these are pool party, so that's nice and neutral. And we'll go with so many different options. Okay, so that was just cut out of there, and then we're gonna cut out 1 white cloud out of just the scrap paper I had sitting here. Okay. And now let's go ahead and assemble this and put the clouds on the card. So the white cloud we're gonna put flat down here. And I'm just gonna make sure, if you could see I had a little bit of a goof there, so we're just gonna cover that up. And then using some Stampin' Dimensionals, we're going to put them on the back of this cloud. And just kind of stagger it like so. So cute. And then on this one as well. And we'll just put this one up at the top of the card here. Okay, now we've got this little strip of pool party, and I'm gonna take the sentiment that I love so much. It says, "You make me happy." Now, who wouldn't love to get a card in the mail that says that? It's just such a nice uplifting sentiment that could be used for just any occasion, just to send some happy mail. So we're going to use Bermuda Bay on our pool party here. Okay, and then I'm going to flag the end, and I'm going to use my Banners Pick-a-Punch here. So this is in the annual catalog. And we're just going to clip the top off. Cooperate with me here. Okay, and we're going to stick that on. Now it's a little bit longer. That's okay. I'm just going to trim that off once I get it attached. So we'll put a few of the dimensionals on. Okay, so I've got 3 dimensionals on there. We're going to stick this on right across the front like this. And then I'll just turn it over and trim off this excess. Okay, now we just need a little bit of bling, and what I found works perfectly with the rainbows and the clouds are these silver and clear epoxy essentials, which are in the annual catalog. Excuse me. And look at this. There's little drops, right? And it looks like raindrops, and of course, rainbows come after rain, so it's suiting. We're just gonna stick some of these little guys here. Now, there's silver ones, which is what I'm using. And then, of course, there's clear ones. And the clear ones that could be used as well. And you could color them any color you want using your Stampin' Blends. And then we just need a little bit of bling down here in the corner. So we'll have one little raindrop down there. And there is our super cute, bright and cheerful card featuring the Rainbow of Happiness bundle and the Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper. So I don't know about you guys, but I am super excited to continue creating with this gorgeous products and to get my hands on even more of the products in that new catalog. So anybody who wants to place an order, I am putting an order in tomorrow evening. So if there's something you want, you can message me if you live local and I can add it to my order. Or you can order online. Anytime through my online store, and you can access that through createwithbirdsnest.ca. All of the information is right there. I also want to shout out and let you guys know that my Happy Hostess Club is starting up again in January. Woot woot! I'm so excited because it's one of my favorite clubs. I love when the members get free product each month. And there's still some openings. So the club, the first order will go in January 10th. So if you are interested in joining, then please let me know ASAP so I can get you added to the list. There's only a couple spots left at the moment. But I'd love to have you join us. So that's it for tonight. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm so glad I could join you, even though I'm not feeling 100%. I was so excited to get back to crafting and to sharing my love of stamping with all of you. So I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday evening. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys all back here next Tuesday for another Tutorial Tuesday. Thanks, everyone. Cheers.